instant risks, instant risks, instant risks.
This is the TRT and Hormone Optimization YouTube channel. And if you want to learn all about the science-based information on this topic, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll be on your way.
Tired of the sensationalization of jumping on TRT, because as soon as you jump on TRT, there are instant risks.
So I want to go over a couple of things that we saw here. So the very first one was this clip that we just watched, where Scott is saying, when you get on TRT, there's instant risks. You're taking instant risks. What risks? What risks? Risks of harm? Risks of what exactly? Okay. It starts off the video is almost like, okay, this is something you need to be afraid of. And that drives me nuts right off the bat. As soon as someone's saying that, it drives me up right off the bat. What are the risks? The risks are, if you're on it long enough, you're probably going to want to stay on it long term. Okay. This is going to be a lifetime commitment. Number one. Yes, there are some people that just hop onto it, not really knowing. And then a year or two later, they say, oh, this isn't for me. I want to get off. And now they have a really difficult time restarting their natural production. Absolutely. Okay. But the guys that at least know that if they're going to do this and they feel better and they have symptom resolution, they know that's going to be a lifetime thing. This isn't something that they're breaking their heads over as, what if one day I get off? I myself, if I compare myself to now, compared to the way I was prior to me starting, I mean, there is no way that I will ever go back to that. I know I will be on this for the rest of my life, okay? Some of the risks, you could have lowered fertility slightly. Yes, there are ways to mitigate that, which we will discuss after. But risks involving your health, risks involving harm to your health, harm to your body, I'm sorry, there is no demonstration of testosterone causing harm. And when I say testosterone, I'm saying testosterone, the natural compound that our bodies make, okay? Because they also go into a lot of, and you're going to see this later, blurring the line between testosterone replacement therapy and using anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids being the synthetic testosterone derivatives that bodybuilders use, and testosterone. These are two completely different things. One is natural, one is made in our body and has a lot of different functions, and the synthetic anabolics have a very specific function of building mass, okay? So it's a variation of testosterone where they're tweaking the molecules to have an impact on specifically building mass or whatever else, okay? This is not anything that the body recognizes in contrast to testosterone.
Alright guys, well, do this next. Click on one of these thumbnails to learn a ton more about TRT and hormone optimization. Thanks.